Hey, it's your favorite neighborhood Uncle Savon Gibson Sr. So today, what we're going to discuss is how to navigate networking events, right? So as you can see in the background, we have Black Tech Week Cincinnati 2025. I've been asked a million times, hey, how do I pick which workshop I want to go to? Well, right here, I'm about to show you how I choose which workshop I'm going to go to and how I still get to get value from every workshop that's at Black Tech Week Cincinnati, right? So I'm going to attach my ebook that I created that's called From Contacts to Contracts, High Level Networking for Entrepreneurs. In this ebook, it goes over exactly what I'm going to talk about today. How to go to networking events, how to go to conferences, and maximize your opportunity, maximize your exposure while you're at these conferences, right? So let's dive right into it. I'm going to show you how I select which workshops I'm going to go to at a conference, right? So let's dive into it. First and foremost, what we want to do is, you see, we're at the website Black Tech Week. While you at it, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, with another entrepreneur, with somebody that might be attending Black Tech Week, right? So we're going to check out the schedule. Black Tech Week this year is in Cincinnati, Ohio, like it is every year, July 14th, 15th, and 16th. I'm going to do the first day, and that'll show you how I do it for every day, right? So Monday, July 14th, Black Tech Week. It starts 8 a.m. to normally about 5:30 p.m. Myself, I know I'm going to get down there about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Got to drop my kids off at summer camp. Got to drop another one off at work. So I'll make it about 9:30, 10 o'clock. So my day starts at 10 o'clock, right? We got the welcome breakfast at 9 o'clock. So I'm going to start at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, I check, okay, we got two workshops at 10 o'clock. The e-commerce and retail, that's going to be at the green room. And then we got creativity at work, which is in P&G Hall, main stage. So already off top, I'm looking to see, okay, creativity at work. That's where I'll be, P&G main hall. Jump to the 11 o'clock time slot. We have four workshops going on at 11 o'clock. So I look at the titles: Academia and Entrepreneurship, Cincinnati Arts Museum exhibits. I already live in Cincinnati, been to the Arts Museum. I won't be attending the Arts Museum exhibits. They have Beauty, Brains, and Bots, AI, and Culture Driven Marketing. Now, I'm into AI, I'm into culture driven marketing, so I will be attending this workshop, right? So, off top, like I said, driving business to business sales. I won't be attending that workshop. So, I've already locked in my 10 o'clock workshop, Creativity at Work, and Beauty, Brains, and Bots, AI and Culture Driven Marketing. So now I already know 10 o'clock I'll be here, 11 o'clock I'll be there. So now let's go into the 11:30 window. Okay, I see 11:30 is lunch. We got Sophia Stanley and Calvin Butts. They're probably going to be doing a panel workshop, Q&A type of thing. They also have the food trucks that will be out, right? I see a 12 o'clock window is morning yoga and Urbana co-working space. So what this tells me is I'll be doing my 11 o'clock workshop, might be out of there 11:45, 12 o'clock. Now I have an open window for lunch up until 1 o'clock. Business Development Day. That's like speed networking with investors, founders, and venture capitalists. That's invite only, something you sign up for. I won't be attending that. So, like I said, my 12 o'clock window is open. So I'm free from 12 to about 1 o'clock, right? During this time, I'll be eating lunch and networking. Uh, so how am I networking? I have business cards and I also have flyers, double-sided flyers with QR codes that I'll be able to sit on tables, sit in places that got high traffic. People will see them and pick them up. Shout out Donnie Harper for getting me back onto the guerrilla marketing, right? So I'm gonna sit those in high traffic areas, and network with a few people during my lunch hour. Connect with some of my mortar alums, right? Because we go down there. It's normally 10 or 15 of us mortar alums that go to Black Tech Week every week. And it's even more this year. We probably about 20 or 30 deep this year that'll be attending. So let's jump back into it. We got the 12 o'clock window. We know we're doing lunch. 1 o'clock, we're back in the workshops. I'm looking to see what all workshops are available at 1 o'clock. We only have one. AI tools. I'm very proficient in AI. I'm in the AI space. So I'll definitely be going to AI tools. 2 o'clock, we got two workshops going on. Product best practices, getting on Shark Tank. When I think of product best practices, what is a product? So more than likely, I'll be stepping into that workshop to see what are we talking about. Getting on Shark Tank. I'm an entrepreneur. I don't have a product, but when I think about Shark Tank, I'm always thinking they're pitching a product, an idea, a service. I'm an entrepreneur. I always want to increase my proficiency in pitching. So getting on Shark Tank might be more favorable than product best practices. So I'm gonna step in product best practices and then transition over to getting on Shark Tank, right? That's at the 2 o'clock window. Now at the 3 o'clock window, we have how to navigate working with corporate in the anti-DEI climate, how innovation becomes brand power, Richie Holmes grant, a meditation moment with Febreze. So in the 3 o'clock hour, we have four different events going on, four workshops. What's looking favorable to me is how innovation becomes brand power. It aligns with what I'm doing. Now, because I recently said there's about 30 Mortar alumni that will be going to Black Tech Week, I know at least two or three, maybe even five people will be going to how to navigate working with corporate in anti-DEI climates because there's Mortar alums that currently dealing with corporate, right? Somebody's going to be going to the grant class. Somebody will be going to the meditation moment with Febreze, right? So, like I said, I'm in the how innovation becomes brand power because it aligns with my service, with my product. It aligns with my brand. Your favorite neighborhood Uncle Say. Check out my website, www.savongibsonsenior.com, right? Now, we go from the 3 o'clock hour to the 5 o'clock hour. What this is telling me is there's nothing scheduled for 4 o'clock, so that might be an opening there. And 5 o'clock, we got the Black Tech Week opening recession powered by Jobs Ohio. 6 o'clock, Monday mashup, Almost Vegan Lounge, powered by Black Foundation. Now, this Monday mashup is probably like a professional happy hour get together. The 5 o'clock is just the opening reception, just saying, hey, thanks. And this is at the Contemporary Arts Center. So it's not at the Aronoff Center. So what this is telling me is about 4 o'clock, all of the activities are going to be coming to an end at the Aronoff Center. So now this is time for networking. This is time for connecting, right? I'm right back to kissing baby and shaking hands, right? As an entrepreneur, I'm back out there getting, making connections, meeting people, making sure I'm in high traffic areas so that I can communicate, that I can get my business cards, get some business cards, and connect with other Mortar alums that attended different workshops. Because on Friday, July 18th at 6 p.m. at the Mortar building, we're all going to come together for a Mortar alumni debrief. And what we're going to do here is we're all going to get together and go over which workshops we went through, what were some of the bullet points, what were our takeaways, and share them with other alums that might have went to the same workshop and got other notes or went to different workshops and weren't able to attend that one. By doing this, now we were able to be in every room, every workshop, and get feedback, get notes, because we went as a group. So, once again, this is just how, whenever I go to a conference, whenever I go to a networking event, I look up the speakers, I look up their LinkedIn, see if I can find some YouTube videos of some of their past speeches. some of their past workshops. I go over the schedule to see which workshops I'm going to go to, which rooms they are in, so I know how I'm navigating throughout the day. I look up what time the lunch is. What are the food trucks? What are the lunch options? So I know when it's lunchtime, I'm beelining here, get my lunch, and I'm gonna go back over here to sit down, co-work, network, post up in a high traffic area so that I can see people and people can see me, and I'm multitasking all at the same time, right? So attached is an ebook that I created called From Contacts to Contracts, High Level Networking for Entrepreneurs. Check it out. Like I said, it's your favorite neighborhood Uncle Say. Subscribe and like, and I hope to see you for the next one.